हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। आई होप कि आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे और आप सभी ने जो पिछला चैप्टर है वो अच्छे से कंप्लीट कर लिया होगा। सो नाउ लेट्स मूव इनटू द चैप्टर नंबर 10 एंड द चैप्टर नेम इज रिलेटिव क्लॉजेस। A clause is a part of sentence that contains a subject and a predicate. Clause वो part है sentence का जिसमें subject होता है और predicate होता है. A relative clause tells us which person or thing the speaker mean is normally introduced by words like who, which, that, those, whom or where. It is in fact an adjective clause describing some noun or pronoun. जैसे कि a gentleman who lived in our neighborhood came to our help. तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो हु लिव्ड इन आवर नेबरहुड, ये आपका क्या हो गया, रिलेटिव क्लॉज हो गया. ओके, नाउ हु लिव्ड इन आवर नेबरहुड टेल्स अस व्हिच जेंटलमैन. यहाँ पर उस जेंटलमैन की बात हो रही है, ये जो सेंटेंस है बता रहा है. ठीक है, गॉड हेल्प दोज हु हेल्प देमसेल्व्स. हु हेल्प देमसेल्व्स ये बता रहा है टेल्स अस व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पीपल. ठीक है, कौन सा तरीके के लोग. Now let's see the first one, that is who. We use who in a relative clause when we are talking about people, not things. जो हम लोगों की बात कर रहे हो ना ही चीजों की. We use it in place of he, she, they. The man he committed the murder has been arrested. The man who committed the murder has been arrested. तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर who का use. Next thing, the people they live in a big cities have a poor health. The people who live in a big cities have a poor health. Next one, he is the man who is very popular. What is the name of the man who took you for the hospital? What is the name of the man who took you to the hospital? Next one, a conductor is a person who collects fare on a bus. Anyone who is interested in taking part in this play should contact Mr. Sanjay Singhal. Next one, in most cases we can use that in place of who. ज्यादातर केसेस में हम डैट का यूज कर सकते हैं इन प्लेस ऑफ हु. जैसे कि द गर्ल दैट स्टूड फर्स्ट इन द क्लास इज माय कजन. नेक्स्ट वन, द पीपल दैट लिव इन बिग सिटीज हैव अ पुअर हेल्थ. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज विच, दैट. We use which or that in a relative clause when we are talking about thing, not people. जब हम चीजों के बारे में बात कर रहे हो ना ही कोई person के बारे में. Where are the newspaper? They were lying on the table. Next one, where are the newspaper? Which or that were lying on the table. The mobile phone which or that I wanted to buy was very expensive. Next one, this is the house that which Rahul built. That or which Rahul built. Next one, the syringe which or that has been used once should be immediately disposed of. Next one, I work for a company which or that produces gas stove. तो ये थे विच और डैट का यूज. अब यहाँ पर सेपरेटली डैट का यूज बताया गया है. डैट कैन नॉर्मली यूज इन प्लेस ऑफ बोथ हु एंड विच. हु और विच की जगह हम डैट का यूज कर सकते हैं, बट देयर आर टू सर्टेन वेज. ओके, वी हैव टू यूज डैट. फर्स्ट थिंग, वी यूज डैट आफ्टर एडजेक्टिव इन द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में एडजेक्टिव के बाद हम डैट का यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Mr. Singh was one of the best speaker that spoke on homeopathy. This is the most ridiculous movie that has ever hit the screen. We use, यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट यूज आएगा. We use that after the words all, any, anything, none, nothing. Okay, इनके साथ हम that का यूज करते हैं. जैसे कि he approved of nothing that I did. This is all that I possesses. Okay. Now the next one is that slash what. What cannot be used in place of that. What जो है वो हम यूज नहीं कर सकते in place of that. Okay, correct form आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो. I am sorry for what happened. I am sorry for the thing that happened. Okay, wrong form, I am sorry for that happened. Okay, correct form is I am sorry for all that happened. Okay, not all what. Okay. Now the next one is omission of who slash which slash that. It is sometimes possible to omit who slash which slash that form of the relative clause. Let us take some example. हम इनको omit भी कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि the surgeon who did the operation was very competent. Okay, so यहाँ पर आप who की जगह आप क्या कर सकते हो, कैसे लिखोगे सेंटेंस को. The surgeon did the operation. Who की जगह the surgeon is the subject of the verb did. Okay, next one, I have lost the bag which contained my confidential documents. The bag contained my confidential documents. Okay, which क्या है, which की जगह मतलब जो the bag है उसकी जगह which आ गया था. ठीक है, so is the subject of the verb continue. The bag is the subject of the verb contained. Now the next thing, we must use who slash which slash that if is the subject of the relative clause. We cannot say I have lost the bag contained my. Okay, but sometimes who slash which slash that is the object of the verb. For example, the pullover which Shweta knitted proved very useful. Shweta knitted the pullover. Okay, the DVD player that I wanted to buy was beyond my means. I wanted to buy the DVD player. That यहाँ पर किसको represent कर रहा है? DVD player को is the object he wants to buy. Okay, and which the pullover is the object of knitted. When who slash which slash that is the object, we can leave it out. We can say the pullover Shweta knitted proved very useful. The DVD player I wanted to buy was beyond my means. तो हम इनके जगह मतलब इनको सिंपली फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं बिना हम who, which और that का यूज किए. Now the next thing is preposition in relative clause. Notice the position of prepositions to, at, with, etc. in relative clauses. I can't find the dress I'm looking for it. I can't find the dress which slash that I'm looking for. The room we slept in it last night was very untidy. The room which slash that we slept in last night was very tidy. Next one, we can leave out who slash which slash that in these sentences. हम इन sentences में who, which, that को हटा सकते हैं. इनके जगह हम ये सब preposition जो है वो use कर सकते हैं. Now the next part is whose. In relative clause we use whose in place of his, her, their. Okay, जैसे कि the man his legs in plaster is my uncle. The man whose legs is in plaster is my uncle. Next one, I congratulated the woman her daughter had won the prize. I congratulated the woman whose daughter had won the prize. We use whose mostly for people, but sometimes it can be used as for thing also. Okay, I was invited to. यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट TO2 आएगा, TOO2 नहीं. I was invited to meeting whose purpose I did not understand. Okay. Now the next one is whom. Whom is the objective form of who. ये whom जो है ये objective form है किसका? who का. So it should be placed in place of him, her, them. इनकी जगह हम इसका यूज करेंगे whom का. जैसे कि the official we approached him couldn't tell us much. The official him whom we approached couldn't tell us much. But in spoken English, it is not common to use whom. It is preferred to use who or that or nothing. Okay. जैसे कि the official who we are approached couldn't tell us much. The official we approached couldn't tell us much. We can use whom with a preposition to whom, with whom. Okay, जैसे कि the man with whom we signed the agreement backed out. The person that whom we talked refused to give us any information. But even these sentences are written without whom. ये जो sentences है बिना whom के भी लिखे जा सकते हैं. The man we signed the agreement with was backed out. Next one, the person we talked to refused to give us any information. Okay. Now next thing is where. In a relative clause, we can use where to talk about a place. ठीक है, जगह के बारे में बताने के लिए. It is used in place of there. Okay. जैसे कि the city I was born there had a very big sport market. The city where I was born had a big sport market. I long for a place I could get some peace of mind there. I long for a place where I could get some peace of mind. Next thing, I do not know the place where she was born. This is the garden where roses of all colors are grown. Now the next thing is relative clauses defining and non-defining. Relative clauses are of two types. Relative clause जो है वो दो तरीके के हैं. एक है आपका defining relative clause और एक है non-defining relative clause. A defining relative clause describes the preceding noun in such a way as to distinguish it from other nouns of the same class. It gives essential information in order to identify who or what is being talked about. तो ये जो डिफाइनिंग रिलेटिव क्लॉज है ये डिस्क्राइब करता है प्रीसीडिंग नाउन को, ठीक है, और ये एसेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन देता है इन ऑर्डर टू आइडेंटिफाई कि कौन और मतलब क्या किसके बारे में मतलब बात हो रही है. यहाँ पर ये बताया गया है. जैसे कि आपको एग्जांपल भी दे रखा है. वी स्टेड एट द होटल विच संगीता हैड रिकमेंडेड. नेक्स्ट वन, आई वर्क फॉर अ कंपनी विच प्रोड्यूसेस स्पोर्ट्स गुड. नेक्स्ट वन, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर द गर्ल हु हैड टेकन अवे माई बुक. In the above examples, the relative clause tells us which person or thing or what kind of person or thing the speaker means. The hotel which Sangeeta had recommended tells us which hotel. Okay, a company which produces sports good tells us what kind of company. The girl who had taken away my book tells us which girl. Okay, this type of relative clause is called a defining clause. इसे हम defining clause बोलते हैं. A non-defining relative clause is used to quality a noun that is already definite. Hence, it does not define the noun but gives additional information about it. If the clause is removed, we can still identify who or what is being talked about. The relative clause is separated from the noun by commas. For example, we stayed at Sundar Palace, which Sangeeta had recommended. I work for Janssen Private Limited, which produces sports good. I am looking for Sonali, who has taken away my book. अब यहाँ पर वो चीजें जो है particular form में बताई गई है. In the above example, the relative clause does not tell us which person or thing the speaker means. We already know which person or thing is meant. Sundar Palace, Janssen Private Limited, Sangeeta. It gives us extra information about some person or thing. Okay, this type of relative clause is called non-defining clause. क्योंकि यहाँ पर मतलब अच्छे से सब कुछ चीजें बता दी गई है, इस वजह से इसे non-defining clause बोला जाता है. Now, next thing is some important points should be remembered about defining and non-defining clause. Point number 1 है आपका, commas are not used with defining clause. Defining clause के साथ comma का use नहीं होता है. जैसे कि a conductor is a person who collects fares on a bus. I know a person who can speak 25 languages. But non-defining clauses are set off by commas. Non-defining clauses में comma का use होता है. जैसे कि my grandfather who is 90 years old believes that the earth is flat. I can't live at Indore, which is far away from the seaside. Now, next is point number 2. In defining clauses, that can be used in place of who or which. That जो है वो किसकी जगह हम use कर सकते हैं, who और which की जगह use कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि we are looking for someone who/that holds an MBBS degree. We all stay at a hotel which/that serves only that food. But in non-defining clauses that is not used. Non-defining clauses में that का use हम नहीं करते हैं. जैसे कि अभिनव who and not that holds an MBBS degree is working as a CMO on his hospital. We will stay at Crystal Palace Hotel which serves only the food, only that food. Okay. Next thing, point number 3. In defining clauses, we can leave out who/which/that when it is the object. जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है तो हम इन चीजों को हटा सकते हैं, who, which, that को. Okay, the hotel which you recommended served only non-vegetarian food. We need someone whom we can trust. In these sentences, whom/which can be left out. इनको हटा सकते हैं. In non-defining clauses, we cannot leave out who or which. पर non-defining में हम who और which को हटा नहीं सकते हैं. जैसे कि the Crystal Palace Hotel which you recommended served only non-vegetarian food. We cannot say the Crystal Palace Hotel you recommended. Okay, we have employed Avinash who we can trust. We cannot say we have employed Avinash we can trust. Okay, now the next thing is joining sentences. It is often possible to join two sentences into one by making one of them a relative clause. Here are some examples. Example 1. Everyone adores Anandita. Anandita is the head girl of our school. Everyone adores Anandita, who is the head girl of our school. Next one, a woman opened the door. She welcomed me warmly. The woman who opened the door welcomed me warmly. Now, there is also a note over here. Note that a woman has been changed into the woman. यहाँ पर woman जो है वो woman के form में change कर दिया गया है इधर, ठीक है. A woman जो है वो the woman बन गई, particular बन गई है, मतलब definite form बन गई है, ठीक है. तो आप article का भी आपको जो use है उसको ध्यान में रखना है. I hope student that you understood this chapter. और आपका homework है कि आपको इसकी following exercise part को complete करना है. Now I'm gonna meet you in another class. Till then students, bye bye.